Alright guys, so here we are. Like I said, all this is taken down already. A lot of stuff I already did, but I'm gonna put tow mirrors in my 2005 Tahoe. I already took all this off. I took this off. Looks like a mess right now, but it's okay. What I got from Amazon, they're right here. These are going to be my new tow mirrors. As you can see, they look very nice. They have the smoked side signal light. What I'm hoping is once I connect these, which are the same like these, into my car, my truck, I'm hoping, I've seen some reviews that it might already be pre-existing wiring already, where I just kind of plug and play. But we're gonna find out. I haven't seen no video that talks about this particular 2005 Tahoe LS, so we're gonna find out. Okay, so let's take this off over here. Take this off. Lay it down. Then we're going to install the new one. See here? See that? Okay. Well, I'm gonna pause it for a little minute, guys, because I probably should clean that little area before I start installing it. So we'll be right back. All right, we're back at it. So I removed that. Now we're gonna put these back. Como dice mamá? Gonna go here, right where you see it. Are you too close, Mama, for this video recording?
No.
Okay. As you guys can see, I have my little 10-year-old helping me, so sometimes I have to give her directions on her recording. So as you guys can see, for this particular, I have all this hanging here, so I'm probably have to cut some of that. That way it doesn't hang out. But right now, all I'm gonna do, to be honest with you, is I'm gonna check. I'm gonna connect this stuff before I even install everything back, because I want to make sure. And like I said, guys, I have my 10-year-old, so now I have to ask her to put the video on me because I'm talking, Mama. And not on this, right, Camila, baby?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you, my little helper. So like I said, I'm gonna just kind of put everything back, not fully, because like I said, this is a tryout. I've never seen no YouTube video, and I want to see if I'm able to install my aftermarket towing mirrors, and I'm gonna connect it to all my pre-existing and see if they work. So we'll see how that goes. All right, guys, catch you in the bit.
I'm quitting.
Alright, guys, so like I said, here we go. I'm going to connect some of this stuff. And then blue goes. I believe this is where it was at. And then this is all the other stuff. This is going to be the tricky part. This is the tricky one. This is just part of the speaker, so I'm not going to connect this one right now. But I will connect this. You see coming this side, Mama? So we're going to connect this here, in here, and this one goes right up in here. As you can tell, these are in here. They're color coded. It tells you back there black, and then the other one it tells you to connect it in the blue. So here we go. All right, ready, Mama?
Yeah.
Okay, there we go. Just keep your focus in here, okay?
Okay.
It's a little tricky. Let's see, where did that go?
Oh, I can see your head.
Okay. All right. All right. Let's pause that, baby.
Okay.
All right. I put it back together. I had to do this offline because it took me a little while. Like I said, I'm not a pro, but here we are. It's all put together. It's really easy to wire. It's just a little difficult, I guess. I had my wife help me. But like I said, main objective is I want to see if those lights turn on. So first things first, obviously my window works, so it's connected. This is working because it's connected. All right. And we're gonna see if it moves. See? You can tell it's moving, right? That means it's connected. Now, we're gonna see if this light turns on. Oh, what do you know? It works. It is pre-wired. 2005 Tahoe LS. Buy them, folks. Buy your aftermarket tow mirrors because they work. Check that out.